watching Disney Channel. We'll be right back to the show.
New from the Alphabet Park, it's the Alphabet Park plushies! You can get the main 3 letters of the alphabet as plushies, and more plushies from the letters of the alphabet will be coming up very soon.
Look, I got the letter A.
Oh yeah, it's the letter B. Cool.
Sweet! I got myself the letter C. You can get the main 3 letters of the Alphabet Park in the Alphabet Park plushies, each sold separately. Get out of the store today.
Hey Leafy, what is it, Pen? Have you tried the new Soda Supreme? No. Why? Because it's very tasty. Try it. It's super good. Look at the wrapping. Isn't the wrapping perfect though? No, it sucks. You're not gonna actually drink it, are you? Yes, but first... That's what happens when you don't drink Soda Supreme. So get some now.
From the inspirational creators of DHX Media's
Hello,
world.
I'm Disney Jr. and welcome to my amazing world.
From the inspiration creation of DHX Media's world, a new character is making his own show, and that person is Disney Jr. So join him and his friends and some of the friends of DHX Media's as they go have fun around KJ's room. There's gonna be teamwork, friendship, caring, and other stuff here in the world of Disney Jr. every day at 8:40 a.m. right here on Kids Channel.
Hey TiVo, wanna try one chip? No way, Maya, I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
A friend of ours is here on Kids
Hello
Channel.
everybody, my name is P-Head, and it's time for my show.
It's our good friend P-Head, and him and his friends are going on exciting journey adventures together. Join them as having lots of fun, playing games, stop bad guys, Ky'mani, and more activities around local city. So you can see them here on P-Head and Pals every day at 6:50 p.m. on Kids Channel.
You're watching Disney Channel. Now, back to the show.
May the case of the people of Hotel Orange Juice versus Me Phone 4 now commence.
Your Honor, Me Phone